All right. Next up tonight, one more dual box break of Star Wars Masterworks. The last two in the case. We got box 4, then box 8. Brewski has 6, Shinobi 7, Posty 2 and 4, John G 135, MVP number 8. Dabble. Dabble's back. Did you make it on the website, Dabble? Dabble. So box 4 first. Yeah. NT Baseball is supposed to be December. We'll see if it actually does come out December. I'm not saying I know anything, but it just feels like every high-end release that has its first release date announced is never the actual date. So I don't know. I bet you it'll be January, but maybe not. It is Panini, and they don't have a lot of other baseball releasing, so maybe not. Number 1, John G. The number 1 John G. Darth Vader. TIE Fighter Pilot. We have Kylo Ren Show of Force. And a blue Rathtar. Rathtar. What am I talking about? Number 75. That's a short print. The hit is Chancellor Palpatine. Battle of Coruscant. Medallion. Number 1. Ooh, my Sharpie's all working really well now for no reason. Number 2, Posty. He with all the luck lately. Freaking Posty. Another medallion for Posty. Sabe. Oh, whoa, it's at the front. Well, it's 2 of 10. The Emperor. There's only one base card. That's our first medallion to 10 gold. What else is in here? Kylo Ren Silver? 55 of 99. What a weird pack. And an Anakin Skywalker Green to 50. Jabba's Guard Alien Identification Guide. That was a weird pack. 2 numbered parallels. Someone else is going to get shorted. Is this case the one the other boxes were like that too? Number 3. John G. Oh, hope John G doesn't get shorted. Wedge Antilles. Poe Dameron. Great Rivalries. Vader and Kenobi. We have a blue Yoda. Oh, yes. Yoda. You seek Yoda. Not complete with your trading. We have an autograph of FN2199. That guy. The other Finn. Not bad. Number 3. You rush to face him. Not complete with your trading. Blue Yoda you have hit. Forever sleep. Number 4. Cardsmith's gift card. Oh yeah, I gotta get those on the side. Number 4 is Posty. Oh, looks like Posty got shorted on his own stuff. Maybe not. Count Dooku. Queen Apiolana. We have Grand Moff Tarkin and Princess Leia. Great Rivalries. And a blue Padme. What a babe. Schwing and Rystal Sant. Base autograph. Number 4, Posty. Number 5, John G. Why not? Look what you got, Posty. Could be a medallion. Poe Dameron again. Darth Vader. Vader. You seek Vader. Tarkin and Leia. A blue Wicket. W. Warwick. And your next medallion is Luke Skywalker. Battle of Hoth. Luke. 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 We're gone, boy. Last of the Jedi will you be? Number 6. Asking for a hockey jersey. Cool. Brewski. Brewski's got to be feeling kind of good. He's like, well, maybe not a medallion. Oh, no. Can't be a medallion. It's lighter. Definitely not a medallion. Let's see what it is. Sabe. Wedge Antilles. We have a Tatooine Scavenger to $2.99. A Silver Fin. Silver Fin. Silver Fin. 81 of 99. It's Christmas time on Jakku. And Tito autograph. Tito Ortiz. Silver Fin, though. Pretty good. Ding-a-ling. Ding-a-ling. All right, number 7, Shinobi. Uh-oh, Shinobi, that's a thin pack. You need a redemption. Those are good. Not a redemption. The fighter, or I always say the fighter pilot. TIE fighter pilot. There's a nice Ray base. Is that the short print? We'll have to check. Yoda. Show of Force canvas to 99. That's when he's lifting Luke's thing out of the swamp. That is why you fail. And C-3PO green. 33 of 50. The hit is Hondo Onaka. I guess from Rebels. Number 7. And number 8. The last MVP. 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 Oh, this is the shorted one. Han Solo to 99 medallion. There's like nothing else in here. No base. Captain Phasma, Greedo, and Han Solo. Man. Why is this case like that? Han Solo to 99. It's a little corner issue right there. Well. Han Solo medallion is not too bad. I have some extra base. I'll throw a base in there. Open the box. I'll even give you a short print base. I'll give you an Apiolana and an Akbar base of mine. Just so it feels more like a real pack MVP. Leonard Cohen passed away? Aw. I only know Leonard Cohen from the Nirvana song. Give me Leonard Cohen Afterworld.